Ready? Let's go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Ready? Let's go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. My ray of sunshine, may your dreams come true. Forever I will be with you. Happy birthday to you. My ray of sunshine, may your dreams come true. Forever I will be with you. Blow out the candles, make a wish. Let's sing it loud, dance with a switch. Another year, another cheer. For you will make the whole world clear. From sunrise till the stars.
Bert, happy birthday pare. Enjoy your special day and miss ka na ng tropa dito pre. Dito lang ako lagi para sa'yo and ingat kayo lagi always dyan ni tita and I hope to see you soon tol. Chat ka lang pag uwi na kayo and I wish you luck sa journey mo dyan. Sipag lang at syaga maabot mo din yung gusto mo. Happy birthday Bert.
Happy birthday, Manong DJ!
Hello, happy birthday my son, DJ. Parang kailan lang, binata ka na. At na-miss kita. Lalo na pagka nagbabalik tayo. Kukulitan tayo nila Ate Chess, nila DJ. Pero now, sa'yo si Daddy, nandyan ka na. Nag-uwi ka na rin dyan. At lagi mong tatandaan yung mga tinuro ko sa'yo. Nakakatulong yan sa'yo. Lalo na, mamahalin mo ang mga magulang mo, si Mommy Lai, si Daddy Damian. Ang pagmahal na anak sa magulang ay pinagpapahalayan lagi ni Lord. I miss you, DJ. I love you so much. And God bless. Happy birthday again. Love you.
Hi Jay! From a baby boy to a big boy real quick. Happy 21st. May your day be sprinkled with surprises, topped with laughter, and filled with all the love that you deserve. Cheers to a fabulous year ahead, and Manang will always be here for you. Love you!
Birthday DJ. I miss you. Love you.
Hi Kuya, happy birthday. I love you so much and lagi mo tatandaan na nandito lang ako palagi para sa'yo. I wish you all the best and I love you always. I miss you so much.
Happy birthday, Dibs. Wish you all the best. More birthdays to come. Chat soon.
Happy birthday, Manong DJ!
Happy birthday, DJ! More birthdays to come. God bless always. Along iterme. Always makinig kay mami. Bye-bye. Love you. Love you always.
Happy birthday, DJ! Tandaan mo lang yung mga sinasabi namin sa iyo palagi ha. Ingat ka. We love you so much.
Galingan mo dyan. Sana maging successful ka. See you soon, bro.
See you. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Manong DJ!
Happy birthday, DJ!
Palangga agad naman tanan. Love you so much. God bless you.
Bye, Jay! Happy birthday!
Hi DJ. Yeah, happy birthday to you. I wish you all the best, and well, I hope you succeed in whatever you want and in life. Don't forget to pray and well, enjoy the blessings that you have received and will be receiving every day. Well, we miss you and we love you. Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday, Manong DJ! From Manang, Max, Viper, Wanda, and Bron Bron! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Hello, Jay! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Des!
Dum-dum.
Dum naman sa una.
Nga, po daw pagkata, galagaw-lagaw.
At mag-lubi-lubi, lagalagaw sa buong santero ka nagit.
God bless you always. Salong gitarme. Happy birthday.
Des! Love you!
Love you.
Happy birthday, DJ!
Hello DJ, happy birthday. I hope your day is filled with lots of joy, laughter, and everything you love. You're such a blessing to everyone around you, to us, your family. And I pray God fills your heart with His amazing blessings. As you start another year, remember to trust in God's plan. He's got great things in you. So keep faith and lean on Him when things get tough. Stay true to who you are and let your kindness and strength shine throughout. Along kay Permi, may what reminder ko na si mo Permi. Be good, be humble, be responsible, and be loving. Love you, DJ. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, DJ! Love you so much.
Say happy birthday.
You did?
Birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Kuya Rich.
Ay,
I
I love you.
love you.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday, baby love. Yes, happy birthday. May you have all your dreams come true. Yes. Be a responsible adult. Okay? Enjoy. And take care of yourself and your mom and your dad and everybody. God bless. We love you. We miss you. Enjoy your birthday.
Happy 21st, DJ. I hope you have an amazing day and weekend. I hope you got spoiled rotten by your girlfriend. Enjoy it, mate.
Happy 21st birthday, son. Hope you have a great day. This is a big milestone in your life, so it's a big birthday. Hope you have a great time. And take care, and God bless.
DJ John, as I normally call you, Gilbert John, if I'm hungry or mad at you. I actually wanted to tell you that Mommy will always be here, no matter what, no matter how stressed I am. I'm looking upstairs, so you might see me from your room. I want you to fulfill your dreams, and I'll be here. Me and your dad will always be here for you to support you all the way, and you know that you can always count on us. Don't hesitate to approach us anytime as you used to do. And I'm just thankful to God that for the
21 years of my life and your life. Everything has changed. And what else to say? Mommy just wish everything for you. I want you to be the fine man that I always wanted to be. And I know that you're doing all your best and striving. Just keep on praying and strive for greatness. We love you, John. Me and your dad will always be here to support you. So with Lucy and Ash, and we just wish the best for you. We love you very much and happy birthday, my love.